Dokon Shotokan Karate. One of the oldest forms of exercise and defensive training ever devised by disciplined man. But one of the only arts still relevant in the modern age, as it is more than just physical training. It is a guiding system, a platform from which the following is taught with extreme discipline and focus. Discipline. To have a disciplined life, with structure and order to everything. Everything neatly arranged and in its place. Etiquette. To be polite with pristine behavior in society and among members of any group or profession. Respect. To respect others' point of view. To respect others' way of life. To respect the rule of law. To respect everything. Self-control. To never lose your temper or engage in any violent behavior. We may train to fight, but only when absolutely necessary. Karate is still the only form of exercise that develops not only the body, but the mind, teaching you to think strategically and mathematically. You see, karate teaches you that it is okay to lose, as long as you learn from the experience, but to have winning as your ultimate goal. It teaches you not to try and be like others, but to be the best that you can be, as long as you did your best with all your effort. This way you succeeded. Remember, karate supports righteousness. Improve your life, both mentally and physically, by joining Dokon Shotokan Karate today and start your journey learning who you really are. Dokon Shotokan Karate is a very proud member of the Tiskia All Styles Federation International.